ElevenLabs is an AI-powered voice technology research company that generates ultra-realistic and expressive synthetic voice. It offers a platform for creating and customizing voice for various applications, including audiobooks, video games, and accessibility tools. And here are the key benefit of this platform, which comes with a natural sounding voice with an easy to use with a customization option with integration and additional features for creating unique voice clone with just a minute of sample audio and experiment with expressive AI generated sound effect. And here's the pricing list for this platform. They offer four different pricing plan, which is the free trial, the starter, then a creator with a pro. So on a free plan, you have access to 10,000 credits with 3 months custom voice. Then on a starter, you have access to again you paid a monthly fee of $4.17 per month with a 30,000 credit per month with 10 custom invoice. And also you on the creator plan you get access to you paid $18.3 per month with 100,000 credits monthly with 30 custom invoice with a on the pro plan also you paid $82.5 per month with 500,000 credits monthly and 160 custom invoice. I'm talking about the pros and cons about this platform. So the pro, it offer a incredible realistic voice generation with easy to use and navigate, and also the voice cloning features is groundbreaking and a decent free plan for experimentation. I'm talking about the downside, which is the cons. The character lines can be restrictive. The pricing can get expensive for higher usage, and some voice still have minor quirk. And that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.